Hello and welcome back to a brand new Lego build. This week's Lego build is going to be, of course, a 3-in-1 gift set. I found this at Walmart. It's only available at Walmart. And this, of course, is the Hearts and Flower gift set for Valentine's Day. I know it's a little bit after Valentine's Day, but it's okay. It's still the month of February. So let's kind of talk about what you get in this gift set. This gift set did cost $20. I'm not sure if they have any more, but I think this is a great gift set, especially if you're tight on money and you just want to build Legos. They do these for holidays. I think they had one at Christmas. I did not buy the one at Christmas time, but if you guys seem to like these 3-in-1 gift sets, let me know down below. And of course, I will continue to buy them because they are relatively cheap and you do get a really good discount because I think each of these cost $12. This, of course, is a 661 piece set because it is 3-in-1. I'm going to flip it over to kind of show you what ones you get. Here are the ones. So you do get the Love Bears. I think all these are from last year. You do get the wreath. That is the heart ornament. And then you get the roses. I have built some like off-brand roses that were not Lego, but yes, I do like those. Of course, most of these sets are about a little bit more than 200 pieces, except the roses. But yeah, we're gonna build all 3 of them in this video, so it might take me forever. That's why it's gonna be after the end. But anyway, we're gonna get this box open and we'll see which one we're gonna start with first. Okay, so it comes with 3 individual boxes. So I'm going to start with the Love Bears. This, of course, has 287 pieces. It's really, really cute. Yes, we're going to open this up and see how cute is this. I love the details. But yeah. And no, I typically don't keep my boxes, I'm going to be honest. I do try to keep them nice, though. I do keep my instruction books. These back here for now. So it looks like here's the instruction book, kind of mini. There's 5 bags it looks like, and it looks like there is 79. I think I do love these instruction books. Bags are not very big at all. Right, there's 3. Here's 2. Here's the first one. Thanks for watching this week's Lego build. I know it's been like 2 weeks, but anyway, this was started in February. It was the 3-in-1 gift set. It came with the bears that love each. I love bears, I think it's called. The wreath that you can customize, and the 2 roses. Sorry it's loud, the motorcycle just went by. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you would like to see me build next, and I will see you soon. Bye.